Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with AVON, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial. I hope you're doing great, feeling loved and appreciated wherever you are. Know that I love and appreciate you. So let's hop in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know you have to prep and take care of that skin. So we're using our vitamin C serum to help fill in those fine lines and wrinkles and hydrate my skin. Belif Aqua Bomb. Gonna also add the added pH balance that I need, plus that little bit of extra moisture, and it has a built-in primer. All about priming. For those eyes, we're depuffing with the Depuffing eye serum and brightening with the vitamin C brightening serum. If you guys could have seen these eyes before, you would be like, oh my gosh, what is this girl doing? And then our vitamin C illuminating primer is already applied. So we've got two bases of primer. Let's add a third one with our VDL primer. This is a Lumilayer Primer. It's going to help give the added glow and also fill in those fine lines, those wrinkles, those pores that you're like, will these pores ever go away? It's giving you what you need for your makeup to stick to your face. We all need that. So look at that added glow. Woo, girl, she's glowing. So get your VDL primer now. Okay, so we are still, I'm in love with our Cashmere Complexion. We're gonna use it today in shade Custard. So actually, no, we're not gonna use Custard. We're gonna use Buttercream. How about Buttercream? Why not? Why not? Good morning, sister. How are you? So we had an exciting weekend around our house. Saturday, my oldest, Caden, who is 17, got to go to prom. I put that on my hand, with his sweet friend, DJ. They have been friends since they started school at 3 years old. So cool. And she's such a sweetheart. And so it was a typical prom. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that my boy isn't typical. He has a genetic syndrome, and with it comes autism. So we didn't really know how he was going to handle it, but he did. He overcame the odds, and he had a wonderful time. And some parents put it together, so it was a lot of fun. Took all the safety precautions and all of that stuff. So I think for me, it was just one of those reminders that when you don't think something is possible, go for it anyway, because it could be awesome. So we had a great time. I shared those pictures on my regular profile, but I'll share some here on the page too, so that you guys can share them, because he was hamming it up. Okay, so we've got our foundation on. I love that Buttercream. It really, it blends well with my skin tone. And that Cashmere Complexion comes in like 20 shades, so it's got it for every shade that you need. We're going to use our Cashmere Complexion in Matcha for these under eyes. And so then Sunday, we were at some friend's house at a cookout, and he had a seizure. Lovely. Fell off of a brick pillar and hit concrete pretty hard. So I've been up every hour last night checking on him, and he's up and going this morning and doing well. Raising kids is fun, right? That's what they tell us. Have kids. It will be fun, they say. Whew, it's exhausting. Wouldn't trade my boys for the world, but man alive, it's exhausting with these kids, but that's okay. All right, so we've got that in there. And now we're going to use our Tattoo Station in shade Brown. Oh, Crystal, your grand prize bingo package, you should get it today. It's got some good stuff in there. I think you're going to love it. I sent you some of the Senses, the new lotion and body mist. I hope that it doesn't get stolen by my brother-in-law. Okay, so with this Tattoo Station, we are just going to fill in these brows. Not doing anything extraordinary. I'm just doing short little hair-like strokes. just to fill it in. You don't want it to look really, you don't want it to look like you're like heavy on it. You want to do just light hair strokes. When you do those light hair strokes, it's going to give you the appearance that it's just added brows. I don't know why I can't talk this morning. There we go. So we've got some brows on. Do you do brows? Let me know in the comment section. Have you ever done brows? We've got our new pomade coming out this next week, and I'll do a tutorial with you guys on that. Oh, yay! I figured he would. We've got our new brow pomade coming out that I think that you're going to love. What did you think about the scents? That lotion is so thick. I'm loving the thickness of it. And it smells so good. The best part about, we've got 3 different ones. We've got Cozy Vanilla. We've got the Fresh Bergamot and Wild Mint. And then the Sparkling Grapefruit and Orange Blossom. The great thing is they're paraben-free, they're toxin-free, sulfate-free, vegan. They're safe for everybody. So it's going to be one of those that's not going to make you itch. If you, look, I've used Bath and Body before, and I love the smell, but it itches. It makes my skin just crawl. Ugh, it's bad. This isn't going to do that to you. I should have showed you. I'm using my Magix Dust Setting Powder, and I'm just putting it into the lid of my powder and swirling it around and doing circular motions just to set that makeup. Blending it all together. There we go. We're good. Hi, Amanda. Welcome in. Okay, so let's go in with our Mono Pop in browns. We haven't used this in a while. It's got some beautiful shades, and we're going to pick up this bottom one. Okay, I need to use my other hand. We're going to pick up this bottom one and this top one and do that to cover the lids of our eyes. I was extra careful to be sure and add some extra primer to my eyes, because if you feel like your eye makeup maybe isn't lasting all day long, then just whatever primer you're using on your face, you can just add it extra little bit on your eyes. So I did my VDL on it, and I did my vitamin C priming lotion on my eyes. So that's just one coat. Isn't that pretty? Now we're going to take our blending brush. We're going to go in with this shade and do that crease. Work that crease, baby. We haven't done a bolder eye in a while, so we're going to do a bolder eye for my big trip to the grocery store. Mondays, it's grocery store day. Yeah. Are you guys still wearing a mask when you go to the grocery store? I've kind of been a little bit more lenient with it, but I have seen that the numbers have increased a little bit. I just feel like I'm going to get sick from breathing in my same oxygen over and over again. Okay, we're going to do the gold and this one, and we're going to blend those colors. And I'm just blending that from the bottom, bringing that crease up just a little bit, because I noticed when I shut my eyes, there we go. And the cool thing about blending is you can really spread your eye look out just a little bit. Look at that. Girl, you are bold today. Bold. We're going to use our SuperExtend liquid liner to line our eyes. You know, if we're going to wear a mask, I guess there's really no point in even putting lipstick on, because are you going to be able to see it? Yes. It smells amazing, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, we have something new coming out that I want to share with you guys. I'm so excited. So you know that our Love Mascara has been my longtime favorite mascara. Now we have Love Mascara that's waterproof. It's coming out this next campaign. So I'm going to start showing you guys how to use it. So your regular is white and your waterproof is pink. It has a lot of the same ingredients, the vitamin E oil. It has the same base, but they've added a few extra enhancing minerals and vitamins to help condition your lashes. It's also going to help moisturize your lashes, help them to grow. It's got that added growth feature in it. So it's kind of a win-win. So I want to show you something really quick. This is our wand for our regular Love Mascara. I gotta set these down. And then this is the wand for the new, let me see if I can show you, for the new waterproof. You can see the regular Love is just like a straight wand. See if y'all can see that. Okay. And then the waterproof has a little bit of a bend in the wand. Can you see that? That bend is amazing. It picks it up at the root and then it helps to extend it out. It still has those beautiful little heart-shaped fibers. I will tell you, if you're using it, I'm looking for my eye makeup remover, you're gonna have to use an eye makeup remover to take it off because it is waterproof. It's not going anywhere. So, oh, I forgot to curl. Just because I like to. And one of the questions I was asked is, how many layers does it take? I normally do 2 layers just because that's what I like. But you can use, as many or as few as you want. So it has those little heart-shaped fibers that's going to attach to your lashes. You're going to start at the root and just lift it up. You guys, I'm equally as in love with this mascara as I am my regular Love Mascara. I guess what I could do, let me do an eye of each. How about that? And show you guys the difference. Can you see? Okay. And then this side we'll do the regular Love Mascara. I know, I'm gonna walk out like half, my eyes are gonna be like uneven. That's okay. I'll do it for you guys. Our Love Mascara still has that great formula in it that's got the vitamin E oil to condition and prime your lashes with those heart-shaped fibers. Okay. There's one of each. Let me go in and do one more coat on the waterproof here. I'm making a mess this morning. We'll let that top part dry before we wipe it off. And then we'll do one more coat of the regular Love and see which one that you guys like. I'll get up close. Okay. So can you tell a difference? This one is the waterproof. This one is the regular. I mean, they look kind of similar. Let me see if I can get underneath and let you see. What do you think? I'm loving them both, but I'm super impressed that I can go swimming this summer. I can go to the beach. I can go wherever I want to go sweating. I sweat like nobody's business. And that waterproof is not coming off. But like I said, you're going to want to make sure, and I don't know, I have my eye makeup remover here somewhere. You're going to want to make sure that you have an eye makeup remover to use on that waterproof, because you do not want to have those raccoon eyes after you've slept on it. We're going to use our Cushion Blush in Coral. When you sleep with mascara on your eyes, it actually pulls. Just patting that on. It actually pulls your lashes out. So if you're working on trying to grow your lashes out, you definitely do not want to sleep with a mascara on. That is not cool. Don't do that. Don't do it. Okay, and we're going to finish up with our Mad Respect Mattaitude. Love this color. It's going to kind of go with my mauve shirt I've got going on today. I love that color. It's such a good neutral. Okay, so we've got the eyes done. Can you tell the difference in the waterproof and the not waterproof? What do you think? Close your eyes. Okay. Now can you tell a difference? Okay, so I'm loving them both. I think that you will too. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope that I shared some love with you. If you want to shop for these products, you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey. Also, share this video. Somebody else may need some makeup tips or something to brighten their day. So always look for the positive. Love everyone, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.